Well, what is going on, guys? Sergeant's Tech Tips, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you what Samsung DeX is and how to use it. Now, if you have I can actually show you the list of supported devices, but if you have a device that is the Galaxy S9, S10, S20, Note 8, Note 9, Note 10, and Note 20 series phone, along with the Galaxy Tab S4, S5e, S6, and S7 series tablets. This will also work for the new lineup of the Samsung S21 series phones, which is the one I have. I have the Samsung Galaxy S21. Now, the thing you have to do this is you will have to go to the description below. If you do plug your phone into your computer for the first time, I actually have already tried this out. It should just pop up with a menu if your computer is connected to the internet that will allow you to, it'll automatically bring you to the website. But if it does not, you can go to the description below this video and it'll take you to this page here. Click for Windows 7 and 10 and then you can go ahead and get the file from there. So what you want to do is you want to go to the link in the description below, click this, download it. I currently have it on my desktop right now. As you can see, it's already installed. And make sure your phone is plugged in. Mine is currently plugged in. So go ahead and click on the setup file, double click it. The UAC is going to pop up more than likely, and you probably won't see it, but I'll make it pop up on the screen. Go ahead and click I agree to the DeX for PC software license agreement. Click next. Go ahead and click install. Disconnect your phone to install, so go ahead and disconnect your phone. Go ahead and click install. The UAC is going to pop up. You can't see it right now, but go ahead and click yes. The UAC is going to pop up again after the installation is complete. Go ahead and click yes one more time. Now you're ready to use Samsung DeX. Click OK. Go ahead and plug your phone in once this menu pops up, or this window. And on your phone, it's going to pop up with a menu. It's going to say Start Samsung DeX on Erazer X510, which is the name of my system. Go ahead and click Start Now. So just click Start Now, put your phone down, and boom. You can still use your phone, depending on the thing, but you can also just shut the screen off. To lock your phone, click the icon on the side of the left screen in the apps. Go ahead and click OK. So this is Samsung DeX. This allows you to basically go anywhere you want. So for example, I can go to Google. You got to double click. I can click Chrome. Double click, and then it brings me to Chrome, and as you can see, I'm on the Samsung website. Go ahead, you can make tabs. It's basically a full-size thing, and then if you want, you can go here, and it makes it full screen. I could go ahead and check my email. I can go on YouTube Music, Google Photos, Google Drive. I can go to the YouTube app, just the regular app, and I can just go here to my channel. As you can see, my channel's here. Also, thank you guys for the 5K subscribers. I forgot to mention that. I know I hit 5K subscribers a while ago. I've just been working, so I've been having trouble editing videos and uploading them. But yeah, so this is Samsung DeX. It's a really cool feature, and if you do have a phone that does support it, I would recommend you try it out. It's just something to mess with. It's not something you have to use or have to try out. It's just something that's there. This does work on macOS. I have not confirmed it works on macOS, but if I can get a hold of a macOS operating system ran computer, I will do a video on it on macOS. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, please drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, please drop a dislike. If you guys would like me to do videos on Samsung DeX and show you like how the gameplay is, if you want to play like, I don't know, COD Mobile or PUBG Mobile on here, let me know in the comments below. And if there's any other things you would like me to show you how to do in this app, let me know in the comments below. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.